My exhibit transportation, road transportation. My name is Srinidhi. I am studying road transportation, water transportation, rail transportation, air transportation. My name is Srinidhi. I am studying first class. My school name is Kalasella. Solar eclipse, sun, earth, moon, lunar eclipse, sun, moon, earth, shadow.
My name is Ramcharan. I am studying 5th class. Exhibit to water transport. DT.
My name is Ajay, class 5th class. My topic name is solar system. Solar system, sun, monster, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Sun, Neptune, Uranus. My name is Ashok. I am studying 4th class. My topic is season, summer, winter, rain, winter, summer season is sun is very hot, it is dry, rain season is rain comes, winter season. My name is Sakshi. We must salute and respect our nation's flag. Our nation's anthem is Jana Gana Mana. Our nation's greenhouse. My name is Bhavana. I am studying 3rd class. My school name my name is Kanvachel. My name is Sirichandana. I am studying 3rd class. Save nature, save water, save. My name is Manasita. I am studying 4th class. My name is Ananta. I am studying 4th class. Different types of houses. This is tent house. This is boat house. This is hut. This is building. This is. My name is Lakshmi. I am studying 4th class. My name is Amita. I am studying 4th class. 0 to 99 number. My name is Manila. I am studying 3rd class. My name is numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
My name is I'm studying 6th class. My name is Ajay. I am school name is Srinidhi Kalasella. My topic is experimental system. This is a nose. This is a mind part. This is a lung. This is a breath.
My name is Kaustubh. I am studying 5th class. My school name is MBBS Kalasella. Math, singles, addition, subtraction, total number 732. How many triangles can you spin? How many triangles do you spin? My name is Vaishnavi. I am studying 5th class. This is my project work. India system. Air force, army force, navy force. Water.
My name is Manita. I am studying 4th class.
This is a water resources. This is a rain. This is a mountain. This is a river. river. This is a well. This is a trees. This is a house. This is a borewell. This is a pond. My name is Kaushik. My study in 5th class. My school name is SBS Kalachada. My topic name projector. My class letter from big see big like my school name is SBS Kalachada. This is my topic is rocket. This is rocket. It is a special needed for use. We will be using VSL rocket will start on other side. The ISRO will also be launching 2 more different sails sometime July, August, which is new rocket small is launch well. Nature and it's a